Khao Soi curry paste. But before you make Khao Soi curry paste, you need to know how to make red curry paste. If you know how to make curry paste, red curry paste, you will know how to make all the curry paste. Okay? This is the ingredient of red curry paste. Red, the dry one that I show you at the market. Why we have to use a dry one? Fresh and dry, fresh hotter. We have to balance the flavor, so we use it dry. Also, Thai people eat like that as well. And now, time to taste. Ding ding. Okay, ding ding. And cafe lamb. Okay. Come on, you are Thai. Okay, let them. Ginger half point. Thai ginger, Khao. Come on, Khao. Galanga. I used to with some country they told me kangaroo. Galanga, not kangaroo, okay? Fingaroo. And the seed is coriander seed. Okay, just like this is red curry paste. If you want to make what is the peanut? If you want to make
Which one? I have to sell.
if you want to make panang, if you heard about panang like peanut sauce, add peanut in the red curry paste, you get panang. If you want to make Khao Soi, like our cooking today, Khao Soi, this one. Curry powder. What curry powder combine? Cinnamon, cumin, and aniseed. Smell like masala. It's already mentioned in the cookbook. Cinnamon, cumin, and aniseed. Oh, no. Aniseedคือปลาเจียวคือปอยกั๊กใช่แปดพี่asked me about Thai word of aniseed and we try to
He's still learning Thai.
True.
Okay. Now we have to separate the two groups because we cook a big portion. Okay, so one person in a team smash this one, and one person in a team chop everything small as small possible and put in the water over there. If you're concerned about your friend, chop small as small possible. Okay, so when you back
Put the whole
home.
chunk.
If you back home, use the blender. It's okay. But today, pencil and water. Okay. And this one to help. And who wants to smash this way, please? Okay.
Thank you, Rachel. I will smash.
You want to smash?
Oh, okay.
Let's do.
Okay.
We can switch.
Yeah, I can smash. And this way, please.
You're up there.
Yeah, you can hear.
We can switch role though.
Yes.
Like they can smash the chili and then maybe you can smash the galanco and you can smash the...
Yes. And one hand, the technique how to smash. One hand cover, one hand smash. Protect the chili splash to your eyes. If the chili splash to your eyes, water it doesn't burn. Use cooking oil. I mean the cold one, not the warm one, okay? Cooking oil, rub in your eyes and wash water. Why oil? Because chili is chemicals of oil. We have to use oil, clean oil. Don't believe me, you can prove.
Vanessa,
Lady first.
for the study purpose, educational purpose, come on. For the group.
Yeah, now you can show. Like this one is very small. When you finish yours, then you can put in the mortar. This one smaller.
Smaller?
Smaller, please. Okay, you just like this, okay.
A bit more energy, you know?
Okay,
How much more should we?
just keep smashing. Just keep smashing. But if you tired, you can call your friend to help you. มะไข่ขอช้อนยาว2 คันช้อน When you finish chopping, you can put all the ingredients in the mortar. Yes, keep going. Yes. Okay, remember like a lemongrass. Okay, different size. Okay. You know, Thai people we do like this as well. When we have our fast man from shopping, we come together to Kafalam. Can you smell?
Yeah.
Smell the kafalam.
I can smell.
This, remember what are you shopping? Kafalam. Thai, no ginger. Finger root. Okay, now you can put over there. Okay, now you can put it over there. And who want to make to have the powdering experience? You can share from them.
Yeah, which of you are the angriest?
Not many Thai man cook. That's great to see foreigner man cook. American man. Okay. And excuse me, after cut the chili, when you wash, you have to wash your hand completely clean before you go to the restroom. Okay? I don't know how to help you. Mashes until it's like it's not big chunk. We see which team better.
He's a bit bigger than I am.
Well, I like a blender. Okay. Because if it's too big chunk, when you add your curry, you will taste the texture. It's not so flavor. Okay, I think this team. Yeah, not bad. Just one going here. We have to have many